Welcome to lesson 1, the foundations of sets. In this lesson, we will start with the very basics and build up to important concepts you will use again and again in mathematics. So, what is a set? A set is simply a well-defined collection of objects. That means you clearly know which objects belong in the set and which don't. Let's look at some familiar examples. A pack of playing cards, a cricket team, the rivers of India, and even the vowels A, E, I, O, U. All of these can be thought of as sets. If we say A belongs to set A, we write it as A belongs to A. So this symbol means belongs. But if something is not part of a set, for example B not in A, we write it as B does not belong to A. Simple. There are two main ways to represent sets. First, the roster form, where we directly list the elements. For example, 2, 4, 6 is the set of even numbers less than 7. And the second is the set builder form, where we describe the property of the elements. For example, x, given that x is even and x is less than 7. Both describe the same set, just in different styles. Now let's talk about type of sets. An empty set has no element at all, and we write it as the symbol phi. A finite set has a fixed number of elements like 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. And an infinite set goes on forever like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ... till infinity. So that's an infinite set. These three categories cover all possible sets. One set can also be part of another set. We call this a subset. If every element of A is also in B, then A is a subset of B. For example, 1, 2 is a subset of 1, 2, 3, 4. But there's also a special case, a proper subset. Here, A is a subset of B, but A is not equal to B. For example, 1, 2, 3 is a proper subset of 1, 2, 3, 4. And what's the difference? The symbol or the normal subset with the symbol with equality allows equality, but the symbol without equality means A must be strictly smaller than B. A quick note, a singleton set is just a set with exactly one element, like 5. Now let's move to intervals, which are sets of real numbers between two values. An open interval, open bracket A and B close bracket. That's a round bracket, which means strictly between A and B. For example, 2, 5 with round brackets means all numbers greater than 2 but less than 5, does not including 2 and 5 themselves. A closed interval. So A, B includes both endpoints. So 1, 3 includes everything between 1 and 3, also 1 and 3. And finally, a half open interval like 2, 5 includes one endpoint but not the other. So here 2 is included but 5 is not. And that wraps up the foundation of sets. In this lesson, you learned what sets are, how we represent them, the different types of sets, subsets, and even intervals. In the next lesson, we will explore operations on sets. And that's where things get really interesting. Make sure to subscribe to Itna Simple for more lessons, and let's keep building your math superpowers. Thank you.